Evil is evil, Stragabor. Lesser, greater, middling. It's all the same.
So that's all life is to you? Monsters and money?
It's all it needs to be. If I have to choose between one evil and another, then I prefer not to choose at all.
Your heartbeat is extraordinarily slow. A mutant.
A witcher. Geralt of Rivia.
I remember hearing stories about witches when I was a child. And the mutations that grant you your abilities also erase your emotions. Is it true what they say?
We don't want your kind here, Witcher.
You mutant son of a bitch.
No matter what you choose, you'll come out bloody and hating yourself. Trust me. I'm here to protect the girl. I will take her, protect her. When I say run, you run.
Geralt!
So, what exactly is Kaer Morhen?
It's my home. I brought her here so she'd be safe. It's easier for me to protect her within these walls. When I first came to Kaer Morhen, Vesemir said to me that the world outside these walls is a dangerous place.
When you told me you called the law a surprise, I told you big mistake.
Remember, hesitation will draw danger to you like fire. But trust the path you choose, and it will protect you. This is important. We don't kill out of fear. We kill to save lives.
People call you a monster too.
A mutant.
What if they come after you? Attack you?
They have.
Why not kill them?
Because then, I am what they say I am. Fuck. Facing your fear is not easy. But I am here for you. I won't let anything happen to you. All you have to do, Ciri, is keep your sword close. A witcher, Geralt of Rivia.